Welcome to the world of the Samaritan Cookbook, a culinary odyssey from the ancient Israelites to the modern Mediterranean. Soups and starters to desserts and drinks. The design incorporates traditional motifs. The wonders and aromas of the Samaritan kitchen arise from these pages. Whether you like avocado and sesame salad, Samaritan hummus, chicken with za'atar, or lamb meatballs with pine nuts. Top it all off with some kanafe, or alternatively, sesame cake with anise. The holidays are the most special. Many people have heard the parable of the Good Samaritan, but few have tasted their cuisine. The first ever Samaritan Cookbook is coming soon.